Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update local SEO listings across Yelp and Bing step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Yelp for Business account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Yelp for Business website. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Information section. Review your current business details such as name, address, phone number, and website. Make necessary updates to ensure all information is accurate and consistent. Add or edit your business description to highlight key services and offerings. Update your business hours if there have been any changes. Add high-quality photos that represent your business positively. Once you have made all the updates, click the Save Changes button. Next, navigate to Bing Places for Business. If you don't have an account, set one up by visiting Bing Places for Business. Log in to your Bing Places for Business account. Locate the listing for your business or create a new one if necessary. Review all business details, ensuring they align with your Yelp listing. Update any information that requires changes, such as address, phone number, and website. Include a detailed business description that captures your brand's essence. Adjust your business hours to reflect current operations. Upload relevant images to enhance your listing's appeal. After confirming all updates, click Save to apply the changes. Monitor your listings regularly to ensure ongoing consistency and accuracy. Respond to reviews promptly to engage with customers effectively. Keep an eye on your analytics to track the performance of your listings. This will help you make further improvements over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.